The very first thing which we're supposed to do in this example, we're supposed to divide negative sign by invisible positive. Negative divided by positive will always give me negative. Next, keep in mind that anytime there is no integer next to the variable, there is always invisible one. 3 divided by 1 gives me 3. That's why I'm going to write 3 over here. Next, I have A. A and A. This is my base. The base is the same. That's why I'm going to keep the base. And because I have division, I'm going to subtract the exponents. I'm going to have minus 21 minus negative 16. That's why I'm going to have 3a negative 21 negative times negative gives me positive 16. Now I'm going to have minus 3a negative 21 plus 16 gives me negative 5. Okay, now because I have negative exponent, I'm going to convert this expression to fraction. Minus 3a minus 5 over 1. In order to convert negative exponent to positive, I'm supposed to take this a with negative 5 exponent and bring it down to the denominator. I'm going to have minus 3 over a to the 5th. Again, negative sign divided by invisible positive is always negative. That's why my answer is going to be negative 3 over a to the 5th. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have x and x, the same base, and I have y and y, the same base. Anytime we divide the same bases, we have to keep the base and subtract the exponents. I'm going to have minus 4 minus 7. Y 2 minus negative 4. 2 minus, because I have division, negative 4. I'm going to have x minus 4 and minus 7 is negative 11. Y negative times negative gives me positive. That's why I'm going to have 2 plus 4. Okay? Equals. And I have x to negative 11. Y 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, because I have negative exponent, I'm going to convert this expression to fraction, which is equal x negative 11 y 6 over 1. We said anytime we want to convert negative exponent to positive, and if the variable is in the numerator, we have to take this variable and bring down to the denominator. That's why my answer is going to be y to the 6 over x to 11. This is the solution. Now let's take a look at this example. Remember, we have always exponent next to every variable or number. This exponent is always 1. Anytime I have exponent outside of the parentheses, I can multiply this exponent by every single exponent inside of the parentheses. That's why I'm going to have a 1 times minus 7 is minus 7 over b 1 times minus 7 is minus 7. Anytime we want to convert negative exponent to positive from the numerator and negative exponent to positive from the denominator, we have to just switch the numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator. So I'm going to have b to 7 over a to 7. This is also equivalent to b over a to the 7th power. This is the solution to my problem.